everybody. Hello. All right, have your seats. Thank you. Have your seats. Have your seats. We are ready to begin our Dr. Martin Luther King Assembly. Our first presentation. Hey, you, take that gum out your mouth. Thank you. Our first presentation is coming from Samantha Gonzalez and Corey Johnson. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. Come on, give it up, give it up.
Don't be nervous, Corey. You could do this. Don't be nervous.
Okay.
Today, we honor Dr. King.
He was a great preacher, leader, and activist. He organized to end segregation.
That means separation.
He believed that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We must continue to live the dream of peace, love, and unity together as one. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Good job, Corey. You did it.
Thanks, Sam. Very good, Corey. Very good, Sam. All right. Very good. All right. Our next presentation is from Mrs. Johnson. Miss Johnson, are you ready? All right, let's go. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to attempt to sing a song that I've sung before, so please sit back and listen. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Wow. Thank you, boys and girls, for being a great audience. And remember, you too can live the dream. You are Dr. King's dream. You are our next generation of leaders, preachers, activists, and our teachers. We are counting on you to live the dream. Thank you. Thank you. Well, that was good. All right, everybody. Thank you for coming out to our assembly today. Get your coat, get your hat, get your kids. Good night. Bye. Gotta go. Bye.